Good morning, children. In previous video we have done this chapter. Now it's time to do the back exercises. So let's start with our fill-ups first. First fill-up: the dash is the primary energy that causes changes in the weather. Sun. Dash is the average weather pattern taken over a long period of time, say 25 to 30 years. Climate. The places near the dash are warmer than the places which are far away from it. Their equator. Mountains are always cooler than the plains. The dash breeze cools the coastal areas in summer and warms them in winter. See, the earth is divided into three temperature zones. Temperature here, the torrid zone is also known as the equatorial or tropical zone. Answer is tropical. The frigid zones are also called the polar zones. Start doing your matchups, beta. First is your weather. Match it with E, that is your changes very often. Then comes your climate, is more or less permanent, put in front of C. Temperate, A, that is your mild. Frigid zone, F, that is your covered with snow and ice throughout the year. Solar eclipse, B, moon passes in front of the sun. And lunar eclipse, D, earth gets in the way of the sun's light hitting the moon. Now it's time to start with our question answer. Answer the following questions. Beta, it's start with first is your define weather and climate. In this way, beta, what you do, write in this way. On the top, write down the chapter name, then you write down weather and climate. Answer the following questions. First is your weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind, speed, etc. is called the weather of the place. Climate is the average weather pattern taken over a long period of time, say 25 to 30 years. Our next question is differentiate between weather and climate. In this way, beta, you can mark a line in between these two. Weather and climate. First is your weather is a study of the atmospheric condition for a short duration. Climate is the study of a average weather condition observed over a long period of time. It is for a limited area. It is for a large area. Weather changes very often. Climate is more or less permanent. A place can experience different types of weather condition in a year. And here we are having fourth one, a place can experience only one type of climate. Question number 3, what are the factors that affect the climate of a place? Answer for this, better write down the factors that affect the climate of a place are latitude or distance from the equator, altitude or height above the sea level, distance from the sun, winds, ocean currents, temperature and rainfall. Our next question is question number 4, that is, what are the three major temperature zones of the world? The three major temperature zones of the world are the torrid zone, the temperate zone and frigid zone. And question number 5, what type of a climate is experienced in torrid zone? Write down answer for this. Hot, wet and humid climate is experienced in the torrid zone. Question number 6, why does the temperate zone have a mild climate? The temperate zone have a mild climate because the region receives the slanting rays of the sun. Question number 7, what type of climate does the frigid zone experience? The frigid zone experiences the cold climate. Number 8, what are the two main types of eclipses seen from the earth? Solar and lunar eclipses are the two main types of eclipses seen from the earth. But this was all. Write down in your fair notebooks Goodbye, beta.